Hi everyone. So our topic is on the evolution of plants. This is by Rose, Reese, Brenna, and Callie, who unfortunately is not here with us today. So we're just going to be doing her slides for her. So background information. So the common ancestor of all plants is green algae, also known as charophytes. And this developed approximately 1 billion years ago. Green algae shares the key characteristics with all modern plants, such as chlorophyll for photosynthesis and cell wall composition. Um, Plants first colonized to land about 485 million years ago. Previously, they were all in water. Humans have significantly influenced plant evolution through agriculture, domestication, selective breeding, and habitat destruction. And plant evolution was also influenced a lot by ecological interactions and environmental changes, such as climate change, soil composition, and plant herbivore interactions. So here are the first or the four stages of plant evolution. You can see from this phylogenetic tree we have here. First, the main category we have is bryophytes. Here are some examples that we'll get into later. Then we develop into lycophytes, and these have vascular structures that the bryophytes did not have. Then our next main category is gymnosperms, which we see develop seeds and roots. Oh, sorry for that background noise. And then lastly, we have angiosperms, which is the most modern and complex form of a plant. So the first one is the origin of land plants again, which is bryophytes. The key adaptation of bryophytes was the emergence of non-vascular plants with protection of embryos. Some examples include mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. And the significance is that these are the first plants to colonize land-developed adaptations, such as a waxy cuticle to reduce water loss and structures that protected their reproductive cells from drying out. They still relied on water for reproduction, just as a sperm needs to swim to the egg.
Next we have the lygophytes, which are the seedless vascular plants, and their key adaptations include vascular tissues such as the xylem and the phloem for transporting water and nutrients. And examples include ferns, club mosses, and horsetails, and those are shown down below. And the significance of these is that the evolution of vascular tissue allowed plants to grow taller and survive in drier environments by efficiently transporting water and nutrients throughout the plant. These plants reproduce via spores like the earlier bryophytes, but had better structural support for survival. Next, we have the gymnosperms, and their key adaptations include the development of seeds, which provide protection and nutrients for the embryo. And examples include conifers, cycads, and ginkgos, which are also shown down below here. And the significance of these is that the seeds allowed plants to reproduce without the need for water, as the male gametes, which is the pollen, could be transported by wind or animals. Seeds also provided the embryo with nourishment and protection during its early development, increasing survival chances in harsh environments.
So the next group we have is angiosperms. Their key adaptation are flowers and fruits, which they facilitate more efficient reproduction and seed dispersal. Some examples are all modern flowering plants, and then also including grasses, trees, and crops. The significance of these angiosperms is the development of flowers, which allowed for a more targeted method of pollination, often involving insects or animals. Fruits evolved to protect seeds and aid in their dispersal, often by attracting animals that would eat the fruit and disperse the seeds over a wide area. Angiosperms are the most diverse and widespread group of plants today. Some key innovations in plant evolution. First, we have the cuticle and the stomata. And to survive on land, early plants developed a waxy cuticle to prevent water loss and stomata, which are small pores to regulate gas exchange. And you can see that in the middle diagram here on the bottom. Then we have roots and leaves. True roots allowed for more effective water and nutrient absorption, while leaves increased photosynthetic efficiency. Then we have seeds and pollen. The evolution of seeds and pollen eliminated the need for water in reproduction, allowing plants to colonize drier environments. So now we have some fun facts. Around 2,000 new plant species are discovered each year.
Plants helped turn Earth from a rocky landscape into a green world filled with forests and vegetation.
Some plants use chemical signals to talk to each other. For example, when under attack by herbivores, plants like willows release chemicals into the air to warn nearby plants to produce toxins as a defense.
All right, that's it. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.